Hello and welcome back to our PHP tutorial series for beginners. Today we are diving into essential part of programming, that is comments in a PHP. They may seem simple, but they are important for writing clear and maintainable code. So let's get started. So what are the comments in a PHP? Comments are notes you add to your code to explain what is happening. They are ignored by the PHP interpreter, which means they don't affect your program execution. Think of comments as a way to leave a helpful message for yourself or other developers. Next, we will see the types of comments in a PHP. There are two types of comments, that is single line and the multi-line. First, we have a single line comments, that is double slash or a hash symbol. Here is an example. So this double slash means this line is commented and it will not be displayed in our output. In our output only this line will be displayed, echo hello world. Same way you can use the hash instead of this double slash. Single line comments are great for short explanation or the temporary disable a line of code. Next, we have a multi-line comments. These are perfect for a longer explanation or a temporary disabling multiple lines of a code. Multi-line code start with the slash star and end with the star slash. So let's see how they works. So this is the example of multi-line comment. It spans into the multiple lines. That's why it is a multi-line comments. Now we will check one practical example for the single line comments and the multi-line comments. For that, go to our editor. In the last video we have seen our first program, and in this same program I will show you by adding the comments. This is single line comment. Save this file and we will check by executing this program. For that, make sure your XAMPP server is running. Go to localhost, my project, and here in the output you can see only the hello world message is printed and the text which we have commented, it is not visible. Another way of writing single line comment is hash. This is also a single line comment. Again save it and again refresh the page. So here you can see only the hello world message is printed and not the commented text. And if I commented this line, so it will not print anything. Refresh it. Now you can see the blank page, means the commented code is not executed. Next I will show you the multi-line comment example. So this is the another file which we have created in the last video, the first -program.php, and in this file I will show you how to write the multi-line comment. To write the multi-line, first write the slash star and star slash, it will close the comment, and in this we can write our multi-line comment like this is multi-line comment. You can write as much as you want. It is great for detailed explanation. In this way we can write the multi-line comments in a PHP. Save this file and again run this program. So the file name was first program.php. Here you can see the only echo first PHP program line is printed and not these commented lines. Now that we have seen the types of comments, let's talk about why you should use them. Comments are crucial for explaining code. They help describe what your code does, especially when it is complex. Second is a collaboration. When working in a team, comments help others understand your logic. And third one is a debugging. You can quickly disable sections of code by commenting them out. Now I will show you one example. In that we will use the single line as well as the multi-line For that, let's move to our VS Code editor. In this file, I have written one program which calculates the area of the rectangle, and first line of this code is commented. It is explaining what this program will do. So it will calculate the area of rectangle. Second is the length equal to 10. So we have added the comment for the extra information, length in a meters. Second is the width equal to 5. Again we have added comment, width in meters. After that we have added multi-line comment. In that I have added comment like multiply length and width to get the area, and after that here I have write the formula area of rectangle equal to length into width, and at the line number 9 it will print the area. Again save this file and run this file in a browser. File name is rectangle-area.php. rectangle-area.php, and it will return the area by multiplying width and length. You can see in this file how the comments make the purpose of each line crystal clear. That's the power of well written comments. Next we will check the best practices for the comments. Before we wrap up, here are the few best practices for using comments effectively. First is keep the concise. Write clear and to the point comments. Second is avoid redundant comment. Don't explain the obvious. Let your code speak for itself. And third is update comments. If your code changes, make sure your comments stay accurate. And that's the wrap up on PHP comments. Remember, comments are your way of communicating with future you and other developers. Start using them wisely in your projects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more PHP tutorials. And I will see you in the next tutorial.